iniwan na siguro ako lahat ng mga kaibigan ko na politiko, pero hindi ako iniwan ng mga
Correct.
outside. Salamat thank you.
VP Inday,
Yes,
welcome back to the Netherlands. Magandang araw po sa inyo. How are you today?
thank you. I wouldn't say I'm happy to be back because of the situation of President Duterte, but I'm happy to see all of you again, and happy springtime sa inyong lahat. I am very well and okay.
Thank you, VP. On behalf of the Filipino community all over the world, welcome back and we're glad to see you again.
Yes, I'm happy to see first-timers as well. And first-timers in the Netherlands, ma'am, no?
Yes.
So,
We were here actually last year. Yeah.
Oh.
We bring some cakes.
Oh.
Birthday si tatay.
salamat. And I think malaki din yung celebration nitong nakaraang March 28 para kay President Duterte. So, nagpapasalamat din ako sa mga Filipinos overseas na pumunta dito sa Hague noong March 28 para mag-celebrate dito sa Duterte Street and mag-celebrate din dun sa Malidel Park. So, thank you sa inyo.
Thank you, VP Inday.
Next birthday.
Yes, we always pray for that. No? Halos araw-araw yung dasal na sana ay makauwi na si President Duterte.
Kami uwi.
VP Inday,
Sobra ma'am. Sobrang mahal ng
thank you, ma'am.
magastos ma'am.
VP Inday, how was your visit with PRRD after a while, ma'am, of not seeing him?
Okay lang naman. He looks well. He looks healthy. And wala naman siyang mga problema. I suggested na magpa-physiotherapy siya. But he refused na mag-physiotherapy. So, we'll see tomorrow kung makumbinsi natin siya na magpa-physiotherapy in lieu of his supposed dapat everyday exercise.
Yes. VP, what is your initial reaction when the jurisdiction was established, decided by the appeals chamber, ma'am?
Well, I accepted it as it is. Discussion na rin naman namin yun ng mga abogado, no? Na we don't see any way that the ICC will let go of the case of President Duterte since isa na lang ito sa dalawa na ICC cases, no? So we don't think na they will let this go.
Is it the same sentiment, VP, with respect doon sa confirmation of charges?
Yes.
Okay.
Same lang, no? Na this will really go to trial, and the best way to move forward is to prepare for trial.
VP Inday, the burning question is that how do you maintain such a vibrant and very beautiful vibe amidst all the persecution done to you by your detractors?
Siguro
No comment.
No, I've always been like this. Yes. Even before I was vice president, and hanggang naging vice president ako, and I don't see na magbabago yung disposition ko because of a few problems here and there. Sabi ko nga lagi, 'di ba, noon na parang tipong ang pinaka problema lang ng isang tao is magkasakit or mamatay, because death is the ending, and then disease or sickness is going towards the ending.
VP, just to be political also, what is your position? A lot of people, especially individuals na talagang gusto kang ma-impeach, are already spreading statements sa social media or sa mainstream media that you will be impeached and there will be impeachment sa Senate against you.
Kung ordinary individuals lang naman yan, like ordinary Filipinos, pabayaan na natin yan, no? Kasi yan naman yung opinion nila, yan naman yung damdamin nila. Hindi mo naman mapabago ang nararamdaman ng isang tao. But it is different siguro kapag congressman na yung nagsasabi or senator na yung nagsasabi. Kasi magtatanong ka, bakit sobrang sigurado ka na
Yes.
tapos na ito?
I was about to ask VP because Representative Redon actually even made mention in an interview that you're very clear na talaga that there will be 106 votes which is required for the articles of impeachment na ma-endorse doon sa Senate.
Oh, well, hindi ako makakomment sa kanyang mga nalalaman kasi hindi ko alam kung ano yung alam niya.
Okay. VP Inday, just to conclude this interview, VP, no, para siguro jet lag ka pa.
Wala, okay lang ako.
Okay lang. VP, what's
Natulog ako ng maayos.
okay.
Hindi mag-jet lang.
VP, what's your message to the undying, unwavering love and support to the former president and to the Duterte family, to you and your siblings as well?
Yes, oo. Undying din yung pagpapasalamat sa lahat ng mga kababayan natin. In fact, kanina, as you mentioned, to bring the message to him, sabi mo, hindi kayo susuko. So, pinaabot ko dun sa kanya, sabi ko, nagsabi sila na hindi sila susuko. At sabi niya na sumuko na daw kayo. Kayo. Well, hindi ko alam kung joke yun or hindi. But
We're 200 miles away for him.
for PRD, I would take it as a joke. And of course, ako personally, yung lakas ko lang talaga galing talaga sa mga tao. Sa totoo lang, iniwan na siguro ako lahat ng mga kaibigan ko na politiko, pero hindi ako iniwan ng mga
Correct.
kababayan.
So, in politics, but we are
Yung
here for
kami.
you.
Correct.
Ako.
No matter what.
VP, another statement coming from perhaps sentiments by the Filipinos. Are you ready to become the next president of the Philippines?
I'm already a presumptive candidate because I declared my intention to run for the next presidential elections. We can only pray that there will be a presidential elections on 2028 and it will be honest, orderly, and peaceful.
On behalf of the Filipino VP, mabuhay ka, mahal ka namin at asahan mo ang suporta namin. Duterte!
Salamat.
Mabuhay ka, VP.